In the next 90 days, I've decided to challenge myself to go from $0 to $100,000. I'm gonna do this all online with barely nothing to start with, just the internet. But if I fail to make $100,000 by the end of 90 days, I'm gonna donate whatever it is that I'm going to make to charity, or I'm going to give it away to you guys with a slight twist. The rules of the challenge are: number 1, I'm only supposed to use the money that I'll make in this challenge for any type of investments into the challenge. I can't use any of my own pocket money for anything. I'm broke anyway, so that's a good thing. Number 2, I'm not going to sell any product. I want to make money online doing online businesses or side hustles that are possible for anyone to easily replicate. Number 3, I'm gonna start the challenge with a device that almost anyone has access to and you are using right now, a phone. Sounds impossible, right? Well, this is by far gonna be the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, cause making $100,000 from literally nothing isn't gonna be easy at all. However, it's not possible. The question is, why am I doing this? Well, for the longest time, I have been such a terrible procrastinator. So I'm getting myself up for this challenge so that I can try to push myself out of the comfort zone. I used to be a perfectionist, which caused me to procrastinate and overthink everything that I did. Take it from me, stop trying to be perfect and just do it. The things that you are stressing about don't matter. Just start and you can make subtle improvements over time. You know, being poor is hard and getting rich is also hard, so choose your hard. I've already chosen mine. That brings me to the second reason, which is that I just want to make money. Because I am broke as hell. Now, what is the game plan? How am I going to make $100,000 in just 3 months from zero? I believe that your first $10,000 online comes from effort, like just trying things, hustling or grinding to see what sticks. But then from $10,000 to $100,000, the game now is about strategy and working smart. That is why, in my opinion, the first $10,000 online is the hardest, cause it takes a ton of effort without seeing results. But once you get there, it compounds like a hockey stick if one knows what they are doing. So I'll be fully transparent and giving you updates every single week if possible, so that you can be following along the journey. I'm definitely, absolutely and completely fully aware that this isn't going to be a walk in the park. It's going to be hard. But you know, I've come to realize that nothing worth having comes easy. But that's better than staying where you are for the rest of your life. Cause what better way is there to live? So I've decided that I'm gonna attempt this challenge, and if it turns out to be a fail, well, at least I'll learn something from it, meaning I'll still come out on top. Indecision is worse than no decision. So if you struggle with the fear of failure, indecision or procrastination, stop overthinking and go take some action. Remember this: no one has ever achieved anything truly great without going through extreme adversity. Now it's time for you to stop planning and actually start doing, executing and taking action. So today is the 1st of April, meaning the deadline is on the 30th of June, exactly 90 days. And so with that being said, let the challenge begin.